Welcome to my channel. Subscribe and like me. Commercial truck are large heavy duty vehicles that can cause significant harm to passenger cars. The drivers of these vehicles have a responsibility to adhere to state and federal regulations for hours of service, cargo loading, weight limits, and more. Unfortunately, some truck drivers commit dangerous acts on the road, leading to catastrophic accidents and severe injuries. Our accident at Mass have over decades of experience repeating, representing clients in all type of personal injuries claims, including truck accident. Our film has a strong track record of successful settlements and jury verdicts, recovering over 400 US dollar millions. Alcohol or drug use, defective truck equipment, unsafe drive. The truck driver, the individual may be financially liable for any injuries or deaths if his her recklessness or negligence contributes. You can hold the hurt you content. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.